How to make a man think of you all the time. Do you want to know how to make a man think of you all the time? Have you ever wondered how some women have a hypnotic effect on men and these men seem to think of these women all the time? And after all, what woman does not want the man she loves to always think of her all the time? For a new relationship to progress, you need to make sure your man is hooked to you. If you want to have such a hypnotic effect on men, keep watching and you will find the ways to achieve this task. 1. Never look for attention. Do not make your man feel as if you were in need of his attention constantly. Show him that you are getting all the attention you want from all sides. 2. Be a challenge to him. To make a man addicted to you, show yourself as his intellectual equal and give him the cerebral challenge that needs to keep him interested and stimulated in the relationship. 3. Be carefree and fun. Your man should also see your funny side. Being carefree, spontaneous and fun ensure that there is never a dull moment in the relationship. Because your man is going to have fun and enjoy being with you. 4. Demonstrate confidence and security. Show confidence and security in yourself. These two qualities are very attractive to a man. When he meets a woman who doesn't seem to be in constant need of emotional support, he is dragged by her. 5. Be different to the others. For your man to become addicted to you, you have to be different from the rest. Whether in the way you dress or the way your mind works, your man will be intrigued and always think of you if you do not present yourself as a stereotype. 6. Be a trustworthy person. Present yourself as a reliable person. Show him your mature side and he'll know that he can come to you when he needs help without being judged. For you to stay in his mind, you also need to learn to listen and interpret his needs. 7. Show him how free he is with you. Sometimes you need to free your man and do absolutely nothing for him to think all the time about you. Do not try to control your man or make changes in his life that he could not be too willing to do. When he sees how free he is with you, is going to keep thinking about you at all time. Subscribe to this channel and share this video with others.